Well, YouTube, after a week of being on tenor drones, my bagpipe instructors have finally decided it's time for me to move on to my bass drone. All right, so we're just waiting. Yep, that would be awesome. Just hold that camera and then hold that in. All right, we've on YouTube, just so you know, we're out here. I know it's a little dark out right now, but there's some light coming from somewhere. But we've been out here practicing marching and all that stuff. My good friend Thaddeus is helping me out with all that stuff. So let's explain to them what we do to help blind people march in a bagpipe competition. So the way we do this, so you have a designated helper who will march with you. So they will pull you forward or push you back a little bit. And when you're marking time standing, one hand will be on your back, one hand will be on your shoulder. In this case, Thaddeus will tap my back to mark time, and when he lets go, it's a signification that we do not mark time in bagpiping. Correct. So that is awesome. So you want to give your side?
So far, with all things that vary, some have an eye-seeing dog, some people have other people helping out. In this case, with me of the grade 4 band, I'll be helping him as his designated guidance. So in this case, I'll be going out, I'll be giving him the special bodily commands to mark time into the group, into the circle, into the march-offs, and when marching off the field. And that's pretty much what I'll be doing to guiding him around.
That is awesome, yeah. Perfect. Guiding a fellow YouTuber.
So now we have...
Give this a go?
Yep, let's give it a go. All right, YouTube, here we are.
So try and just strike up and give me an easy tune, and I'll tune it for you.
Okay, I will do it. All right, YouTube, here we go. Camera facing this way.
All right, hey, let's line up.
Nice.
There you go, Tate.
All right, YouTube, there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.
Here.
And the camera's